Hi there, welcome back. I'm Mark. Today we'll be drawing Toad from Super Mario Brothers. Grab yourself a sheet of paper, a black Sharpie marker, and some colored markers. Please smash that like button right now and click the notification bell because I do videos every weekday and you don't want to miss any one of them. All right, back to the drawing. We're going to start with the head shape. So we're going to draw a curve down and then up like this. Then at the top, we will do a curve like that. Then we'll draw two eyes up in this direction with a little highlight in the middle. And we'll draw another one right here. Then I'll just go and fill these in just like that. Then for my mouth, I'm going to draw a line from one side of the eye to the other. Then we'll do the lower side. Like that. We'll do these two little curve shapes on the ends. And then we'll do a tongue. Like that. Okay, now we're going to come from the head right about here. And we're going to do this curve and go way up here all the way to the other side. So we're going to come up like this, and we're just going to round this shape all the way like that. And then we're going to come down and we're going to meet up just like that. Then we'll do one round dot, polka dot right here. We'll do one on the left. And then we'll do one on the right. Okay, then we're going to go just left of center. We're going to come down a little bit. And we're going to do the same on the other side at a slight angle. And then we want to curve this up just a little bit. So we'll curve these up. And then we're going to come really close like that. Then we'll do an outline right here and here. We'll replicate that on the other side. And then in the middle of these two lines right about here, we'll do a line across. And then we're going to do a round shape at the base. So we're going to come inside of the jacket right about here. We're going to come down. And then we're going to come back up like that. Okay, we'll do one foot, which will start, if you have your center here, we'll go to the left of the center and we'll curve this up like this and like that. And then we'll do the other one on the other side. Come like that and like this. And then we're going to do one hand over on the left. So we're going to come down like that, and then this will curve up like that. The wrist will be right about here, and then we're going to do a thumb that's pointing into the left direction slightly, and then down here we'll come down and we'll do 1, 2, 3, and 4 fingers like that. And then on this side we're going to come down from the shoulder. We're going to come down like this, and then we're going to have the thumb right about here, and then we'll have 1 finger, 2, 3, and 4 fingers. And that's it for Toad. Now I'm going to grab some markers and color Toad in. Well, I hope you enjoyed drawing Toad with me from Super Mario Brothers. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I do videos like these ones right over here every weekday, and I don't want you to miss any one of them. All right, until that next one, I will see you then. Bye-bye.